So as promised, there's more to come. I'm going to show you guys how to use this Testo 470 tachometer, to be exact, on this blower assembly right here. So we got the blower and we have the motor. And what I've done is I've put some reflective tape on the shaft, and I've done the same thing here on the pulley. Now that comes in the kit. The kit's right here, and there's some reflective tape there. So I'm going to take a reading and compare it to the nameplate, and then we're going to take a reading of the actual blower speed and see how it compares to the motor. Okay, there's the laser shining on the shaft there, and if we get close enough and take our reading, we are at 1800 RPMs. Now if we look at the motor nameplate, the motor is rated for 1750, so we're right in the wheelhouse. So if we have a look at this pulley here, it should be about double the size as the motor pulley. Now the motor pulley is spinning at around 1800 RPMs, but the blower pulley should be spinning at about half the speed, because it's about half, because this is about double the size, because this blower here is not going to be running at the same speed as the motor, hence the difference in the sizes of the pulleys. So I'm going to take a reading on this pulley, and it should be about half of what we read on the motor. So we have it up and running, and if we take a reading here, let me focus, get it on there good. There's the laser on there. You're reading just over 960 RPM, so that is about half what I kind of thought. So that's why it's good to have a tool like this. We can verify a lot of things with a tachometer during troubleshooting and commissioning. It's a Testo 470, guys. Happy HVACing.